We always have a chance for immortality. We know of the three worlds: Megacosm, Macrocosm, Microcosm. Every world has its own laws. Look at the microcosm. It's operated by the laws of quantum mechanics. As Richard Feynman said, I think I can safely say that nobody understands quantum mechanics. Quantum mechanics is the eternal uncertainty that Schrödinger's cat proves. In quantum mechanics, all objects are in superposition. It means that this ball photon can be here, here and here at the same time. But as soon as we try to freeze the position of the photon, the superposition disappears and we find only one photon in one place. Based on Gion's experiment, we see that one photon is able to pass through two slits at once and to form an interference. This proves that particles in quantum mechanics have a wave function. With the appearance of an observer, the wave function disappears with the interference. But how did we prove that? It's simple. In our experiment with the photons of the device, we touch the photon from the photon cannon and thus violate its wave function. We need to consider that on such a small scale, size does not exist, and we shoot from photon cannons with the probabilities and get absolutely no interference pattern, but the pattern of probabilities. And by affecting the wave function of the photon, we simply force it to choose the most possible and available choice. At least we can influence probability by adding observer into the experiment. This way we get on the board the most possible places of photon hit. But where do the other possibilities disappear? Scientists have many answers to this question, but I personally adhere to a multi-world interpretation. When we register with the help of the observer which slit the photon passes through, the whole universe is divided into a possible number of options, and in each universe, observer sees his option. And now we come to the question, can we be immortal? Purely theoretically, before you get struck by lightning, the universe is divided into two, and in one universe you will be dead, and in the another alive. But you can continue to watch experiment only in the universe where you alive. It is obtained we are immortal. This is how you can explain all these impossible pieces of luckiness. When the car was very close, when the stone fell next to you, when you miraculously survived.